Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you where you can access all text correction options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Now tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. You can also scroll down, select more typing options and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!